Today I'm going to show you how to use WSU's Pesticide Information Center online database, PICOL for short. Let's use the advanced option. I think you have more options if you're not sure what you're looking for. We always look for the intended user as the homeowner because we are only permitted to give information to homeowners. First thing we want to do is look at the application type, and we're going to be looking for apple scab. We want to be able to recommend some possibilities for treatment for apple scab. So the crop, exact, and now we'll look for apples. Now we want to add more information. Let's go to add search group. We want to look for the pest, and a pest is anything that is causing a problem, such as a disease, an insect, a vertebrate, or a weed. So the pest, exact pest is, and we'll go down to scab. And we're going to add a search group because in this case, the client asked about organic methods. Now, as Master Gardeners, we are required to give the clients both chemical and organic choices. We can let them know what the least toxic ones are, but when it comes down to it, we are required to give them information about both. We can also make sure that we give them the information about the chemical product that cautions they may want to take with it. So this time let's go to organic, exact, and organic, yes. And I think that's enough search information there, so let's submit our search. And here's what we come up with. Now you can move these around to get more information. I'm going to drag that over a little bit so we can actually see what the name of this is. I'm going to move the intended user over a little bit, and the ingredients, because we want to know what it is that we're recommending, because there may be some information that we need to give them about that. What's really nice is that we're provided with the labels. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to spread this out a little bit so we can see what the ingredients are. And you see I'm up here in the title row, and I get right over the line there, and the cursor turns to two parallel lines with arrows. So let's say we wanted to look at copper octanoate. So we're looking at Washington because that's where we live. And here's what the label looks like. It has all the information we need. It has the cautions, the directions for use. Everything is here. And it also tells us what kind of problems and what kind of plants and where we should use it, if we need to be careful of aquatic, if we don't want to use it near water. I haven't had a chance to look at that, but all this information is here. And that's how you use it. It's a very useful tool. As Master Gardeners, we can't recommend a particular product, but we can tell them that products with copper in them, such as Bonide liquid copper or Soap Shield flowable liquid copper, or if we wanted to tell them neem oil, we could tell them there's a product named Monterey neem oil or Bayer Advanced Natria neem oil. Products such as, we're giving them examples because it helps them to shop for what they need. And it also teaches them that they need to look at the active ingredients. So this is a teaching moment for Master Gardeners and a learning moment for the clients. When you have the results, you can download them. And as you can see, the list is quite lengthy. So what you might want to do is only export part of the file that is shown here. It will download as an Excel file, an Excel spreadsheet. So you right click any one of these name headers and you choose what you want. I usually like name, intended user, ingredients, and I lost it, and labels, so I'm going to uncheck everything else. And I'm going to export filtered, and it will only give me these columns. It's quite useful to have if you want to go back and refer to it. I hope you've enjoyed this and learned a lot, and I hope you give it a try. It's not as hard as it looks, because once you've done it a couple times, you've got it. Okay, thanks for watching.